Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Docker desktop requires a newer WSL kernel version error. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Virtual Machine Platform, check Windows Hypervisor Platform. Right CLCK Start button, click Terminal. Copy command from description and paste it. Copy URL from description and paste it. Copy text from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.